Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome slow opening in Windows 11. It's very simple. Let's start. First, open your browser and look for these three dots above and simply click it and go to Settings. Now once you're inside, select Privacy and Security. In here, you will see a lot of options, but click Clear Browsing Data. This engine is one of the most thing, can also give your PC an slow opening. Now clear all time and click Clear Data. After that, also go to Advanced option and select it all. And do the same thing. Click Clear Data and try browsing to your browser again. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.